Hi guys, this is the Moto G5 Plus, whose many of you are using. So this Moto G5 Plus has got a new update. So now let's install the update and let's check what bugs are fixed. So here it is, the system update is loading. So if you want to skip this update, please forward this video. So friends, it was taking a lot of time. So if you want to skip this, please forward. So guys, here it boots. So now let's check the system performance, and first let's check the update here, whether it was installed or not. So go to settings here. You can see about the phone here and system update. So let's check again. So here it says let's check again why this is not supporting. So let's check again, and you can see Android security patch level is up to date to December. So here it shows the update was successful. So I think the stability of the Moto G5 Plus software is implemented very good. So by the system update, they have removed some of the bugs. So they also brought the security update up to date. So this is the overall video, friends. Hope you like this.